Place your feet just outside your shoulders and your toes slightly pointed out and holding the dumbbell vertically right below you. This is ideal for glute activity. If you're wanting to hit more of your inner thigh, you can do a little bit wider stance. While doing this exercise, make sure that dumbbell stays directly below you. You don't want it floating too far out in front of you. That will cause some back pain. So you want to keep all of the weight right underneath you. When you are lowering the dumbbell, keep that constant tension on your legs by not letting it hit the ground each rep, and also having your knees right above your shoelaces and the weight in your heels. Last tip here is to make sure that your hips are going up and down and not turning this into a deadlift with a hip hinge. So you want to make sure that those hips are moving up and down versus butt back and chest to the floor, which is what you would see in a deadlift. If you watch closely to this video, you'll see that I have my Versa grips on while doing this exercise. I will often use Versa grips to let that little rubber piece give me a little bit extra grip, all pun intended on the dumbbell, so that it doesn't slip out of my hands and smash my toe. I definitely don't want to break a toe doing this exercise. But oftentimes when you're going heavier and heavier on this exercise, the first thing that's going to give out is your forearms and your fingers, and then you can't focus so much on your core and your glutes and your legs. So if you use a grip, that way you can really focus on what you're supposed to be working on versus your grip.